Welcome to our video on 15 different types of flour and their uses. Each type of flour has its own unique properties and characteristics, and can be used in a variety of recipes. First, we have all-purpose flour, a versatile flour that can be used in a variety of baking recipes, from cakes to cookies and more. It's a blend of hard and soft wheat, making it a great all-around flour. Next, we have bread flour, which has a higher protein content than all-purpose flour, making it perfect for making bread and other yeasted baked goods. The higher protein content gives bread dough the strength and structure it needs to rise and create that perfect chewiness and delicious crust. Third, we have whole wheat flour, which is made from the entire wheat kernel and has a nuttier flavor and coarser texture than all-purpose flour. This flour is packed with nutrients and perfect for hearty breads and wholesome pancakes. Fourth, we have self-raising flour, which is a combination of all-purpose flour and baking powder, used for making cakes, pancakes, and more without the need of additional ingredients. This flour is a great convenience flour, perfect for quick and easy baking. Fifth, we have pastry flour, which has a lower protein content than all-purpose flour and is great for making delicate pastries and flaky pie crusts. It produces a delicate and tender texture in pastries. Sixth, we have cake flour, which has an even lower protein content than pastry flour and is great for making light and fluffy cakes. It produces a very tender and delicate crumb, perfect for cakes and other baked goods that need to be light and fluffy. Seventh, we have rye flour, which has a distinct flavor and is often used in making bread, crackers, and more. It gives a unique flavor and texture to baked goods. Eighth, we have spelt flour, an ancient grain that is a good source of protein and fiber and can be used in many recipes as a substitute for wheat flour. It has a nutty flavor and is a great alternative for those who are sensitive to wheat. Ninth, we have buckwheat flour, which is gluten-free and has a strong, nutty flavor. It's often used in making pancakes and crepes. This flour is perfect for those who are gluten intolerant and still want to enjoy delicious baked goods. 10th, we have corn flour, which is made from ground corn and has a fine texture, often used as a thickening agent in sauces and soups. It adds a unique texture and flavor to baked goods and other recipes. 11th, we have chickpea flour, which is gluten-free and high in protein, often used in making falafel and soccer. It gives a unique flavor and protein boost to baked goods and other recipes. 12th, we have oat flour, which is gluten-free and has a nutty flavor, often used in making oatmeal cookies, pancakes, and more. It's a great alternative for those who are gluten intolerant and still want to enjoy delicious baked goods. 13. We have almond flour, which is gluten-free and made from ground almonds, often used in making macaroons, cakes, and more. It's a great alternative for those who are gluten intolerant and still want to enjoy delicious baked goods. 14. We have rice flour, which is gluten-free and made from ground rice, often used in making Asian desserts, and as a thickening agent. It's a great alternative for those who are gluten intolerant and still want to enjoy delicious baked goods. It gives a unique texture and flavor to baked goods and other recipes. 15. We have coconut flour, which is gluten-free and made from ground coconut, often used in making gluten-free and low-carb bread and cakes. It gives a unique flavor and texture to baked goods and other recipes, and also it's a great alternative for those who are gluten intolerant and still want to enjoy delicious baked goods. We hope this video has helped you learn more about the different types of flour available and how to use them. Thanks for watching.